Hi friends, welcome to our channel CAC Page Focus. വെൽഫെയർ ബോർഡിൻ്റെ എക്സാമിനുള്ള അവസാനഘട്ട ഒരുക്കത്തിലാണ് നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും. ഇന്ന് സിലബസ് ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൊരു ക്ലാസ്സാണ്. ക്ലർക്കിൻ്റെ എക്സാമിന് വരണ IT, ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, GK, പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ സബ്ജക്റ്റ്, ഇതെന്നല്ലാത്തൊന്നും കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പോണത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. We have met before. Question tag. Options: aren't we, haven't we, didn't we, are we. Haven't we? His life is happy. Options: isn't it, aren't he, aren't it, isn't he. Answer: option A, isn't it. I dash this project by Monday. Options: will complete, will have completed, would have complete, none of this. Answer: option B, will have completed. She dash him at once. Options: recognized, recognized, has recognized, recognizing. Answer: recognized. She recognized him at once. Change into indirect speech. Meena said to me, "Can you give me your pen?" Options: Meena asked me if I gave her my pen. Meena asked me if I can give me your pen. Meena asked me if I could give her my pen. Meena asked me, can I give her my pen? Answer: Meena asked me if I could give her my pen. Ammu is singing a song. Change into passive voice. Options: a song has been being sung by Ammu. A song is sung by Ammu. A song has been sung by Ammu. A song is being sung by Ammu. Answer: a song is being sung by Ammu. They dashed to Calcutta last week. Options: have gone, went, were going, had been going. Answer: went. They went to Calcutta last week. The house is dash fire. Options: at, in, upon, on. Answer: on. The house is on fire. Appointing authority of High Court judge. Answer: President. First eco-tourism center in India. Tenmala. Year 1999. District which have most number of post offices. Thrissur. The Virology Institute of Kerala, situated in Alappuzha. The number of members that can be nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President of India. 12. Dash popularly known as Jhansi Rani of Kerala. Akkama Cheriyan. The number of function keys in keyboard. 12. The basic unit of worksheet in which user enter data in Excel. Cell. The smallest unit in the computer which represents information is bit. A compiler translates a program written in a high-level language into machine language. Full form of USB. Universal Serial Bus. A program for viewing a web page is called web browser. Cooperative Week observed in India between November 14 to November 20. Section 35 to 41 of KCS Act 1969 explain about privileges of cooperative societies. The year which cooperation is recognized as a state subject, 1919. Approval of the budget and passing of audit report held in annual general body. Headquarters of Kerala State Cashew Development Corporation Limited, Kollam. Proper maintenance of registers and records is the duty of secretary. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി പഠിക്കുക, എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി എക്സാം എഴുതുക. വിജയാശംസകൾ.